Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a full-blown transformation of my entire upstairs wardrobe dream walk-in closet. So it's a mouthful, but I've been waiting for months for this. It's been a long process. I've worked with California Closets. They have been such a big help in helping me design my dream walk-in closet. So in today's video, we will be going basically from start to finish. So nothing has happened yet other than we've prepped this room. So I'm gonna show you some of the footage of that. And then we are gonna go along, hopefully everything goes okay, but we're gonna go along with them installing everything, and you are going to see kind of like the after of the whole closet. And then in the next video, I'm going to show you my bags and shoes are in here, the closet's organized. I'll show you how I organize it. So this video is gonna be kind of in two parts, but it's all centered around my dream closet. So let's just get started and I'll show you everything. One thing that I did do in this closet is for the slanted ceilings, it did have like the popcorny textured ceilings, and I had somebody come in and completely sand it down so it is nice and smooth. All right, are you guys ready for the big reveal? So after months and months of planning, designing, and anticipation, here is my dream walk-in closet. Oh my goodness, guys, I cannot even tell you how thrilled and excited I am. So in this video, I'm going to give you an empty closet tour. I'll show you what we designed and all of the awesome features that I cannot wait to use. The next video will be the full closet filled with all of my clothes, bags, shoes, accessories, and I'll show you how I ended up organizing everything. I have some really great ideas, so stay tuned. But let's get back to what we have going on right now. When we first come up the stairs, there is this section that was designed to be more for storage. And I mean things that aren't exactly pretty, like my filming equipment, lighting, camera lenses, and that's why I chose to have this full-length wardrobe with doors. I have lots of room to basically hide any ugly closet necessities. Right beside these wardrobe doors, you'll actually see the first unit of lit shelving. And as I go along, you're going to see that I had lighting installed throughout the entire closet. And honestly, I am so happy I made that decision. I think it takes it from a great closet to my absolute dream closet. It really elevates that glam factor. And I'm also really excited because I think it'll be a great addition to lighting up my background while filming. Next is a section that isn't quite finished yet because we're waiting for the quartz countertops to be installed. Right here, you'll actually see the guy measuring everything with a laser so that it fits perfectly. But this station is going to be my desk/office computer area. I already ordered a new chair, a new monitor and keyboard, so I'm really excited to get this section finished so that I have a special place to be really productive. Okay, so we're moving on to the real closet section where there are different heights and levels for hanging clothes. I'm still not exactly sure how I'm going to organize everything, whether it be by color, types of clothing, etc. It'll probably just be a mix of both. But at the top of every hanging section, there is a shelf that will be perfect for displaying handbags, decor, perhaps some organizational baskets or bins. The sky is the limit, and I'm really excited to see what I come up with. Oh, and then right here is the little sensor to turn on the lights throughout the closet. You can make them super bright, you can dim them, and then you can obviously just turn them off. This center section is one of my favorite parts of the closet because there is a little mirrored door cabinet. I think it's so pretty, and I love the silver handles that I picked out. And then right below that, I have a set of 8 drawers. I absolutely love the crystal handle pulls too. But the first 2 drawers are filled with jewelry organizers from California Closets, and I know I'll get so much use out of them. You guys know I love my jewelry. But then the remaining 6 drawers I'll most likely use for underwear, bras, maybe loungewear. I guess we'll just see. But I do plan on purchasing some additional organizational items for these drawers. Okay, guys, I changed my mind. This is my favorite part of the closet. This is going to be my wall of shoes and handbags. And isn't it so beautiful? I just love how everything is lit up. I love how the sections get gradually higher. I love how there are so many different heights for each shelf and box. And okay, so this does lead me to an important decision that I made for this closet. And I am fully aware that this wouldn't really work for a lot of people, but it's something that was really important to me. If you notice, there are no holes along the sides. So in other words, these shelves are not adjustable. I'm sure many of you think I'm crazy for doing this, but I just really didn't want little holes throughout this gorgeous closet. And because this is such a large room and I have so many different sections to play around with, I am very confident that this isn't going to be a problem for me. I mean, look at how many different places I can display everything. There are so many heights and options. Moving along to the other side of the closet, here is another full section of hanging space. Again, there are different heights for shirts, long dresses, blazers, pants, etc. I also have these really cool little hanging devices throughout the closet. You can just pull them out and you can hang laundry, maybe hang your outfit of the day. I also have one with little tiny hooks that would be great for scarves. And then you'll notice in the center, I have a full head to toe mirrored door. And I'm obviously excited to have this mirror to see my outfit while I'm getting ready. I feel like every closet needs this, but I also think it'll be really handy for taking outfit pictures. You know, the life of a YouTuber or influencer, we just do weird things. And then finally, we have what will be my vanity area. It's going to be very similar to my office space, but instead I'll have a lighted mirror on the wall. I also have drawers for makeup, hair tools, brushes, etc. And for this section, I did decide to put the outlet on top of the countertop instead of underneath. That way I have easy access to it when plugging in my hairdryer or curling iron. And yes, this section down here will have nice new trim. It did have to be removed to place the cabinets in there nicely. I also have this whole other closet to work with as well. I'm not going to show it to you right now because it is pretty dirty and what the heck, I'll just show it to you. But I'm excited to have this space to utilize because it can be for items that I don't use as much, maybe luggage, laundry, and anything that just doesn't look that great out in the open. Alrighty guys, that does it for this video, but stay tuned for my future closet video where everything is organized like a boutique. But thank you so much for watching and I'll see you very soon. Bye!